Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed assertion on the application of Gemini app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Gemini and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Gemini. If you find update here, then you can update your app. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. Thank you for your watching and your attention.